Alright, so in this video we're going to be removing the center console off a 2020 Ram 2500. We have the seat out, so it's a little easier to make a video. You don't have to get the seats out. So you're going to start popping off these little covers. Yeah, this one doesn't have a bolt, so most likely you don't have to take that one out. Alright, so it's just the two little covers, one in the back, one in the front, and same thing on the driver's side. Alright, so right here, so on this one we have the seat end, so it's a little bit hard to record it. This is the back portion of the center console. So we're using a 10mm socket. So this is the front driver's side. There's another little cover. So it's a 10mm socket as well, or a bolt. So on the passenger side, you have to remove this little cover. Ours is already popped off, so it's kind of easier, but there's 4 clips and it slides out. And you have a 10mm. Alright, so this is the driver's side. We have to remove this. So it's a 10mm bolt. So we got this one out already. Alright, so once you got the 6 bolts out, you just pick it up, slide it back, and then you're gonna have plugs in the front. Alright, so on the driver's side, you're gonna have these wires. So once you unplug that, that's it. The center console is out. That's your SRS module right there.